The instrument is equipped with a spare fuse. When the fuse inside the instrument is broken, it can be used to replace it. Use a screwdriver to slowly pry open the position of the fuse, remove the broken fuse, take out the spare fuse and install it to replace and use. There is an inhalation hole on the instrument. Unscrew the cover of the inhalation hole to see that there is a white silicone ring on the cover. When this silicone ring is broken, a new one can be replaced. There is a filter cotton inside the inhalation hole. It is recommended to replace the filter cotton once a week. After replacement, tighten the cover. Install the small Y tube at one end of the inhalation hole. And connect the Y head to the breast enhancement cup. Usage details. Cups number 1-3 are suitable for breast enhancement or buttock lifting. Install the large Y tube at one end of the inhalation hole. And connect the Y head to the negative pressure cup. When only one negative pressure cup is needed for operation, tie one of the tubes of the Y shape to avoid the phenomenon of no suction. Note: cup number 10 has a small hole designed. When operating, press the small hole with your thumb to have suction. Release the small hole when the operation stops. Install one end of the straight rubber tube at the inhalation hole. And connect the other end to the negative pressure cup. Usage details: large massage roller, suitable for the back, legs, and abdomen. Medium massage roller, suitable for the waist, inner sides of the thighs, arms, and small body areas. Small massage roller, suitable for facial areas, neck, chest, and smaller body parts. Since the instrument has only one inhalation hole, only one of the breast enhancement cup, negative pressure cup, and massage roller can be installed and used each time. Connect the power cord and turn on the power button to start the instrument. At this time, the instrument is in direct suction mode, suitable for facial and body use. Test if there is suction. Rotate the intensity to adjust the suction force. Place the massage roller on your hand. During use, the pressure gauge will display the pressure value. If you feel being sucked in, the instrument has suction. If you want to choose other modes, first click the red button of Mode On/Off, and the default M1 mode will be selected after clicking. You can rotate mode to select other modes. The indicator light of which mode will light up when you select it. Turn off the power button and unplug the power cord.